Hi everyone, welcome to the second chapter of this course. This is about thinking like an economist, and in many ways, this chapter is trying to discuss the methodology that we employ in the field of economics, and really trying to understand what is so distinctive about how economists confront different questions, and just what does it mean to think like an economist. So, if you think about it, every different field that you encounter has its own jargon, its own language, and its own way of thinking. If you think about mathematics, for example, you might encounter terms like integrals and theorems and axioms and corollaries. Psychologists might talk about ego, cognition, neuroscience, and things like that. And physicists might talk about gravitation, about space, about velocity, and things like that. So really, every discipline has its distinct set of terms and its distinctive way to think about the world around us. Okay, so the way we're going to go about this chapter is we'll first talk about the two distinctive roles that economists play, and discuss how economists use different types of models to explain the world around us. And in this particular chapter, we're only going to be talking about two types of models. One is a circular flow diagram, and the other is a production possibilities frontier. Okay, and finally, we'll close with making a distinction between positive versus normative statements that you would encounter a lot in the news, and it would make sense to put how economists think into context.